Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will make soya chunks salad. This dish is perfect for a quick and healthy snack or meal. Let's start. First, take some soya chunks. Soya chunks are a great source of protein. Now let's boil these soya chunks in a pan with some water. Add little salt. Once the soya chunks are boiled, turn off the heat and let them cool. Once the soya chunks are boiled, turn off the heat and let them cool. Strain all water. Now, in a mixing bowl, add the boiled soya chunks. For the dressing, add curd, fried cumin powder, black salt, and black pepper powder. Mix well. This is so healthy and delicious. You can take this in your brunch or as a snack in your weight loss or fat loss journey. Ingredient list is in description. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.